Why can't I use toaster oven instead of real oven? My toaster oven has a temperature gauge just like my oven, 200 to 450 degrees. I opened a package of fish sticks and the instructions said, do not cook in microwave or toaster oven. It only had instructions for cooking them in a regular oven. Do you have any idea why a toaster oven that can be put at the same temperature would not be good to use?
Possible reasons. Horrible temperature control. This is simply a problem of cheap construction. One could theoretically build an excellent toaster oven with precise temperature control, but why would you? Low thermal mass. If you get an oven to 400 F and open it for long enough to put in food, the result is an oven at very slightly less than 400 F, and which will quickly return to 400 F. Do that with a toaster oven, and who knows what temperature you'll get, or how quickly it will get to your desired temperature, if ever. See number 1. This is not a slam at toaster ovens. This is just due to them being approximately 2% of the volume of a standard oven. Closeness to elements. It's easy for toaster ovens' interiors to vary by nearly 50 F from middle to edge, simply based on distance to elements. Now don't get me wrong. I once made some chicken oysters Rockefeller in a toaster oven, when I thought that they would be the difference between serving an appetizer and being allowed to serve breakfast the next morning. Wink, wink. If you know what you're doing, and watch carefully and continually, a toaster oven can be an excellent source of high-ish direct heat. But they are extremely difficult to control, and extremely unforgiving of errors. I can't think of a circumstance where a toaster oven would be my first choice of cooking tool, and that includes microwave, campfire, plumber's blowtorch. There are two differences that could be involved. A fair number of toaster ovens have really bad temperature control. It's common knowledge in the polymer clay community that there are relatively few models that can be relied upon to bake your clay without producing clouds of foul black smoke. The food is much nearer the element. When I cook fish sticks, they end up frying slightly in a film of grease. Sometimes they pop a little. Could that be a fire hazard?